Hey guys, happy Thursday. Wait, no, today's Wednesday. Happy Wednesday, guys. We are going to a souvenir store because, well, I'm very sunburnt and we are not going to the beach today until a little bit later because every time we go to the beach, our parents don't do anything. And then we leave because we're bored and hot and sweaty. Okay, so anyway, so then we leave and then they come back hours later and they're like, oh my gosh, you should have stayed, we had so much fun. And then we're all like, because when we were there, they literally were just sitting there doing nothing. So we decided that today we were going to let them go and sit there and do nothing for hours, and then we'll go down later when they're apparently having so much freaking fun. So that's what we're doing. Why are my mom and my aunt being so embarrassing and just taking selfies in front of all these people? Dad?
We're taking...
But why are you, like, not taking turns? Like, take one on... We're out to dinner, but there's kind of a really long wait. But it's a pretty view, and it feels nice out here.
I'm dehydrated.
Yeah, Shaylin's dehydrated, but her hair's going all over the place, so that's pretty fun. Leanna, your hair's doing something really funny. No, like that one hair needs to be fixed. Yeah, because it's like going on the wrong side. Okay, my mom Snapchatted Shaylin. We're gonna see what it is. Aww, what are they looking at?
Cute.
They're looking at the wrong phone.
Yeah, they're looking at Yaya's phone.
See, this is why they shouldn't have done it like that.
Yeah, it's a bad idea.
Bad idea.
We are finally seated. Wait, did you vlog here earlier?
Yeah. Oh, my hair's doing something funny right here. It's doing a lot of fun
I look like a boy. And yeah, this water tastes like sink water, and it's the same texture as sink water, so Dad's gonna get me a lemonade. And I have to have Caesar salad and fries for dinner because they only have seafood and burgers here, which I don't eat either because I don't really eat meat, and I definitely don't eat seafood. I don't eat steak, and I don't eat seafood, ever. But I'll eat chicken, but... Okay, a bug went in my eye. Dad!
They have a vegetable stir fry.
Okay, yeah, because I don't like vegetables, Kylie.
Okay, well, it's not anyone's fault that you're, like, the world's pickiest eater.
Okay, Kylie's, like, getting into a live argument on camera.
She's literally here on vacation, and she's getting a Caesar salad for dinner.
That's because there's nothing to have.
So we got our food. I just vlogged this, but I lost it. So Katelyn got a really nice Caesar salad. She's really liking it. And a nice side of fries. I got crab mac and cheese. It's divine. Shaylin got really great sushi. Leanna got really great crab mac and cheese. It's going great. Fabulous. So we came bowling, and the bowling alley is making us do a lot of annoying things. Good. This is so fancy compared to the Bowl America we normally go to. Wait. Look how stupid I look. Why are you black and white?
I don't know.
Huh. Let's see Leanna's.
He's already done. Does that mean you do it? Honey, get a picture. Closer so your face is in there.
Super cute. Caitlin's turn. Oh, you forgot to select female. Shay's up.
Wait, after Shaylin's turn, show the screen.
Okay.
Really
Oh, that's unfortunate. It's giving her tips.
Shaylin, you're really bad.
Wait, it comes up with a little cute little cartoon at the end of the turn.
You gotta listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can't get from you. Boy, I don't need that much, need that much. How can I tell you what I wanna do? I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't Oh, I can't get enough, get enough. Don't ever let me be away from you. I'm gonna hold you tight, 'cause you're the only thing that I can't lose. I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, I need.
Our ending scores are a little bit embarrassing, especially Shaylin's. There's this dog that like swims in the ocean, and he is so cute. Look at him. Katelyn's in the pool. It's her
The sex channels are
nope.
temporarily deactivated.
More explanation coming on that later.
That was actually pretty funny, Brandon.
It's our last night here. Mom, you want to say hi to our vlog?
Mom!
Dad, do you want to say hi to our vlog?